dito sa Iba Zambales at namili lang tayo ng isda na ihawin, tsaka syempre ang aking paborito na lagi kong pinupuntahan dito sa palengke ng Iba Zambales. Dito lang kayo bumili ng banana Q. Ayan, banana Q nila. Murang-mura lang po yan mga kasampalenyo. Inaantay ko na lang yung turon. Yan mga kasampalenyo. Mangga.
Bakit man nabawasan na yan? Ay dumikit yung
Dumikit yung kon. Hello mga kasambalenyo, bali last day natin ngayon dito sa Iba Zambales at namili lang tayo ng isda na ihawin, tsaka syempre ang aking paborito na lagi kong pinupuntahan dito sa palengke ng Iba Zambales. Dito lang kayo bumili ng banana Q. Ayan, banana Q nila. Murang-mura lang po yan mga kasambalenyo. Inaantay ko na lang yung turon. Banana Q tsaka turon, dito binibili yan. Ito lang sa may palengke, madali nyo lang makita ito. Ayan Ana Banana Q Station. Ayan, hali pagpasok ninyo dito sa may Ram Road supermarket, dito lang sila nakapwesto. Yan lang. Tapos ito na yung palengke, kaya madali nyo lang makita itong pwesto nila. Okay, yun lang at maraming salamat at last day natin ngayon dito sa Iba. Okay?
You're the air that I breathe. Yes, and you are all that I need. You are the sun, a gift of light. You are the moon, my comfort at night. You are the water that keeps me alive. You are the ground on which I stand.
Yan pala ihawin.
Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you. And I give it all. I give you my life, I give you my soul. And I know that you keep it safe forever, for all future days. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever
na lang mga kasampalin nyo at mapan daw yung kamatis. Pagiliente na isang pirasong pampano. Grabe ang pampano mga kasampalin nyo. Isang piraso 250. Bumili lang ako ng isa dahil paborito ng ate ko yan. Binilihan ko siya. Lumidingas naman.
What if the world had more of your smile?
Ihawan
What if the
natin eh.
wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Yan, mga kasampalin nyo. Hanggang
Man nabawasan na yan. Ay dumikit yung
dumikit yung
Dreaming of you,
dumikit. Ay na kami.
dreaming of you,
Ay na tayo mga kasampalin
dreaming
nyo.
of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming
Bonito.
of you, dreaming of
Boss.
you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could
Kamatis,
reach
talong, tsaka manggang hilaw.
everyone? There'd be no wars.
Hanggang hinog. Inihaw pa. Kain na kami.